Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I wasn't going to film anything today, but I changed my mind. You see, I only eat 2 meals a day, and my first one is usually between 11 and 12 o'clock. And what I'm eating today is nothing to write home about. It's nothing spectacular, but it got me to thinking about something. I thought, you know what? This is why I chose these items, and I'm going to share this with my viewers today. Don't mind the red marks on my head. That's a totally different story. I'm trying out a new bonnet, and I should have tied it a different way. That aside, let's get to lunch. Let me show you what I'm eating for lunch today, and then I'll tell you why I chose what I did. So these are my items that I'm going to be using to make my lunch today. I've got 2 boiled eggs, some bread, some good cultured cottage cheese, some protein chips, and I'm going to use this as a seasoning. I am going to use salt, pepper, onion powder, some mayo, and some mustard. I don't have it out here. So my lunch today is very simple. It's just going to be an egg salad sandwich, some protein chips, and I've made a dip. I've made a ranch dip. I used good culture cottage cheese for that dip. Now the reason I decided to even film this basic little lunch today was because there's a topic here that I feel needs to be addressed. And that topic is protein intake. I know I'm not getting any younger. I'm 56 years old. And a couple of years ago, I realized that I just didn't have a lot of energy. I couldn't keep my energy up, especially in the afternoon. That's usually when it hit me. But, you know, all of my numbers were good as far as my blood work, so I just kind of passed it off as getting older. My daughter started a weight loss journey around about that time, and she was doing really good, but she had started upping her protein. She was eating high protein. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll give it a shot. I'll just see what works. I just wanted more energy. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I started eating higher protein. And so in doing all that, I was looking for things that would work where I could add a little extra protein in here or there during the day. I choose the eggs for egg salad because they're a higher protein. Now, you don't have to put it with bread. You can eat it with lettuce leaves. You can make a wrap. You know, there's various ways to eat your boiled eggs. But eggs have protein in them. Well, the protein chips, this bag has 150 calories and 14 grams of protein. And I'm going to tell you something. I've tried different protein chips, and some of them are good, but most of them are not. These are actually really pretty good. Now, I don't know about all the flavors, but this nacho flavor is good. I will tell you though, I hate cottage cheese. I have never liked cottage cheese at all. It's never necessarily been about the taste. It's been about the texture. I realized that on that go around when I was trying to incorporate that. But just a half a cup, which is a serving size, only has 80 calories, but it has 14 grams of protein for just a half a cup. That is a great way to get some protein in. The only problem there was I couldn't stand cottage cheese. I hated it. Now, I've tried other brands, and I'm not sure if it's the brand or what the deal is. This is small curds, but I still, even this brand, I couldn't eat it by itself. It's just a texture issue for me. So I found out that if you get it good and mixed up, I use a magic bullet to mix mine up. It makes it a different consistency, more like a dip consistency, and I can eat it no problem. So I'll take a half a cup and I put it in my magic bullet. I get it all mixed up, and I put me some ranch seasoning in it, and I can make me a little dip. So I dip my protein chips in my ranch dip and get some added protein in for the day. This little lunch right here keeps me going all day long until dinner. I don't even need a snack. I have high energy, and I believe it's due to upping my protein intake. I actually tracked this, and I still track it. I have an app that I used that was free to download onto my phone. And so I downloaded it and started using it and tracking my food just to see what my protein intake was. This meal by itself has 525 calories. Now that includes the mayonnaise that's not sitting out here. I do use a Hellmann's Light mayonnaise. So it's only 35 calories for a tablespoon. So that's included in my calories. But this little lunch is 525 calories, 22 grams of fat, 41 carbs, and a whopping 44. Can you see that? A whopping 44 grams of protein just in this one little lunch. But that's just a little tip for the day. If you don't like cottage cheese, try getting it blended up. So if I want to, I can use this for a salad dressing on my salad, and all I have to do is to thin it out with a little bit of water. I can add a little water to it, blend it again, and it will thin it out more of a salad dressing consistency. So that's just a tip for the day. If you're older like me and you need to add a little protein into your diet to get that energy level up, try me some cottage cheese. So that's all I wanted to jump on here and say today. Just a short little video sharing my thoughts on high energy protein intake and how you can squeeze just a little extra protein in your day if you need to. Try some cottage cheese, and if you don't like the texture, try blending it. Just add a little water to get it to the consistency that you want it, and you can use it as a dip, or you can use it by mixing fruit in, or you can use it as a salad dressing. Flavor it up with whatever seasonings you want to flavor it up with. Just give it a try. You never know, you just might like it. But anyway, I'm going to go get my egg salad made up, and I'm going to eat my lunch. Enjoy your day, and I'll catch you in the next one.